Pleasant morning, children. Hope you all are safe and good. Today we are going to discuss the book back exercise of chapter 9, Soil. First question, it is choose the best answer. First question, in addition to rock particles, soil contains. Soil contains the rock particles and along with that some other particles is also present. So what is that? Options are air and water and plants, minerals, organic matter, air and water, air and plants. So think wisely and choose the correct answer. Second question, the water holding capacity is the highest in. We know that each soil have the different type of water holding capacity. So this may get vary in each soil. The options here it is given as sandy soil, clayey soil, loamy soil, mixture of sand and loam. So which can hold the water in highest amount. Think wisely and choose the right answer. Third question, match the column. So column 1 and column 2 it is given here. You have to match both the columns. Okay. First question, a home for living organism. So which can be the home for living organism? And upper layer of the soil. So it is related to some of the characteristic of upper layer of the soil. Sandy soil, middle layer of the soil and clayey soil. So the properties which is related to this kind of soil is present in the column 2. So relate each other. The options here in column 2 is large particles, all kind of soil, dark in color, small particles and packed tight, lesser amount of humus. Okay. So read it carefully and match both the columns. And the questions from 4 to 8 you have to write in classwork. Fourth question, explain how soil is formed. We know that soil is formed by the process called weathering. So here in this question you have to briefly explain about weathering process. Fifth question, how is clay soil useful for crops? Clay soil you have to write the properties and the useful, that is the uses of clay soil in the crops you have to mention for the fifth question. Sixth question, list the difference between clayey soil and sandy soil. This question has to be written in the tabular column, that is clayey soil in one side and the sandy soil in the other side. The properties and the uses has to be mentioned. Seventh question, sketch the cross section of the soil and label the various layers. This is a diagrammatic question. Here you have to draw the soil profile and mention the parts. Eighth question, Raisia conducted an experiment in the field related to the rate of percolation. She observed that it took 40 minutes for 200 ml of water to percolate through the soil sample. Calculate the rate of percolation. We have learned the formula for rate of percolation. The rate of percolation is equal to amount of water divided by percolation time. So amount of water is given and the percolated time is given. So use the formula and find the answer. Ninth question, explain how soil pollution and soil erosion could be prevented. Soil pollution and soil erosion. So for this question, you can write your general points. Okay. And 10th question is a crossword puzzle. So first we can complete the across. Second question, plantation prevents it. So by planting that we can prevent some process. So that is the answer for second question. Fifth question, users should be banned to avoid soil pollution. So using some materials can avoid the soil pollution. What is that material? Okay. Sixth question, type of soil used for making pottery. So what is this? That particular type of soil is the answer for sixth question. Seventh question, living organism in the soil. In other words, this is a friend for a farmer. Find the answer. Next, it is down. First question, in desert, soil erosion occurs through. So in the desert region, so there is no plants, but here soil erosion occurs through what factor? Third question, clay and loam are suitable for cereals like. So the particular Cyril name you have to find it here. Fourth question, this type of soil can hold very little water. So here the water holding capacity is very less. Find that special type of soil. Fifth question, collective name for layer of the soil. So altogether all the layers it is called as a term. Find that. That is the answer for fifth question. Okay. So this is your today's homework. Complete this. Thank you children.